What if your laptop dies today, your code dies with it? Everything you have ever worked on, your proof is gone now. And let's be real, when you apply for a job, you can't email the zip file called mycoolproject.rar to your recruiter. They will laugh at you. Today, we are going to fix that. We are going to take your code and back it up to the cloud and build the one thing that proves you are a pro developer, your GitHub portfolio. So let's go. Welcome back to Code and Career. If you are new here, I am Shashwat, a professional AI engineer, and we are building your career from scratch. In the last video, we mastered Git. You have built a time machine for your code. That is awesome, but right now, this machine is stuck in your garage. Today, we're gonna meet its best friend, GitHub. Think of it like this. Git is your private diary. It's messy, it's personal, and it lives under your mattress. Only you see it. But on the other hand, GitHub is a public library. It is where you put your best work. It's your backup, your portfolio, and a place where millions of developers work together. Today, we are going to publish your first book. We are creating your first repository. So head over to your laptop. So step 1, you need an account. Go to github.com, it's free, pick a username. Only that you wouldn't be embarrassed to put on a resume. No code killer 99, okay? Keep it professional. Once you are in, hit the green new button. We are making a repository, or you can call it repo. This is the project file. Name it Hello World. Set it to public because we want to show off. And this is crucial. Do not check the add a readme box. We want an empty cell because we are bringing our own books. Okay, we have a local computer and a cloud website. So now the question is, how do we connect them securely without typing a password every single time you want to save? For that, we are going to use our secret handshake SSH keys. It works like a puzzle. Your computer generates two keys, a private key which you never ever share, and a public key which you give to GitHub. When they meet, they snap together and GitHub knows it's really you. So let's generate them. Open your terminal. Type SSH -keygun space -t space ed 25519 capital C. Your used email. It looks scary, but just hit enter, enter, enter. Accept the defaults. Now we need to copy the public key. On a Mac, type pb copy less than nearly slash dot ssh slash id underscore ed 25519 dot pub. It's now on your clipboard. Go to GitHub settings, SSH and GPG keys. Now SSH keys, paste in it, title it like my MacBook or my work, click add, and boom, the handshake is established now. Now that we are friends with GitHub, let's send our code up. GitHub actually gives you the cheat sheet or right on the page. So make sure SSH is selected, not HTTPS. Copy those 3 lines, paste them into your terminal and hit enter. Git remote add connects the wire, Git branch names our timeline, and Git push that launched the rocket. Okay, the terminal stopped moving. Go back to your browser and hit refresh. Look at that, your code is online. It's backed up, it's live. You can send this link to anyone in the world and say, I wrote this. You just completed a professional workflow. You just transferred commit your local code to Git, Git push it to GitHub. This is exactly what we do every day. Your challenge is to do exactly like this. Get your hello.py on GitHub, then paste the link to your repo in the comments below. I want to see your portfolios today. I'll be back in the next video and we are going back to Python. to give our program a brain with variables. Make sure you have saved the playlist linked below so you don't miss any of it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.